Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. You do not want to miss this. I've learned to empower myself and encourage myself with affirmations and mindset strategies. This is one that I want to share with you. This affirmation says that I am a successful content creator with an influence of millions of people all over the world. I get paid to create content, inspire others, empower them, and have a great time doing it. And so put that in your own words. Maybe you can relate an affirmation like that to your channel. So I want to encourage you and inspire you to use mindset strategies such as affirmations and powerful thinking to put that in your own words for your own channel to encourage you to stay in this thing for the long term. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been on YouTube, but you really haven't been doing the thing. You really haven't been creating content, or maybe it's stagnant and you might just be ready to take your channel to the next level, maybe to get it back going again. I want to share this video with you right here, coming up on the screen, how to revive your channel, bring it back to life. I think that will be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers, those who are funding the channel with your income. You keep the lights on here at Next Level. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.